So now question number 20. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x whole divided by cos square x dx. यहाँ पे भी हम पहले अलग अलग करेंगे. 2 by cos square x अलग minus 3 sin x by cos square x अलग. So we will have integral 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. This will become integral 2 by cos square x dx. अब उसपे 2 is a constant तो वो बाहर रहेगा. So 2 integral 1 by cos square x dx minus integral this whole thing dx. अब इसमें भी 3 is a constant तो वो बाहर रहेगा. So 3 integral sin x by cos squared x dx. So this would become 2 integral sec squared x dx minus 3 integral, अब इसको हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x dx. तो अब ये हो जाएगा 2. नाउ तो अब ये हो जाएगा 2 इंटीग्रल sec squared x dx minus 3 integral sin x by cos x is tan x, 1 by cos x is sec x, so sec x tan x dx. We know that integral sec squared x dx is tan x because d dx of tan x is sec squared x. So 2 tan x minus 3 integral sec x tan x dx. Now we know that d dx of sec x is sec x tan x. So integral sec x tan x dx would be sec x plus final integration constant c. This is the answer.